I knew Mr. Fuzz will be, true.
Bless you. More tea, Mr. Fuzz?
Want some hot chocolate? It's Mr. Fuzz's fave. Fave.
Not on the cakes! Not on me!
False alarm.
Muffy, do you think maybe you have an allergy?
Achoo! Francine's right. Boy, anytime I want to sneeze, all I have to do is